Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power. Make sure the case and earbuds are charged to at least half. This prevents interruptions. Once done, unpair the Indy Evo from any phone or laptop so it won't auto-reconnect during reset. Then place both earbuds into the case, leave the lid open, and get ready to perform the hardware reset. That step clears pairing and restores default settings. Don't skip unpairing. It avoids ghost connections when you repair. Now do the reset. With the earbuds in the open case, press and hold both earbud buttons for about 10 seconds until you see the LED pattern change. That indicates the factory reset. After the LEDs flash, close the case for 5 seconds to finalize the internal reset, then open it again. The earbuds should enter pairing mode. Next, on your phone or computer turn Bluetooth on, choose Skullcandy Indy EVO and complete pairing. If offered, let the Skullcandy app finish setup or finish by testing audio. Play stereo content and confirm both earbuds output sound. If one side is quiet or dead, remove and clean the charging pins on the earbud and case with a dry cloth, then reseat and charge for 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes poor contact prevents pairing. If that doesn't work, repeat the reset process and try pairing with a second device to isolate phone issues. If problems continue, contact Skullcandy support for warranty options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.